Hello everyone, myself Venkat Chandra Mukesh and I am currently pursuing my Masters in Data Science at University of North Texas. This video is regarding my final project presentation for the course Data Analysis and Knowledge Discovery. My project is related to hotel reviews and I'm doing a text mining analysis on reviews of hotel data. Let's begin with the introduction. So I have taken this data from Kaggle and it's maintained by Harsh. This dataset contains hotel reviews from individuals across the world. So in this dataset, we have hotel name, reviewer, nationality, positive reviews, negative reviews, average score, and then reviewer evaluations. I picked this dataset because it has reviews from a variety of individuals across the world, and one may alter their hotels based on these evaluations to improve their company. Working on something that helps other develop their companies sound helpful and essential to me. So based on these reviews, the hotel companies may improve their business if the reviews are bad, and then if the reviews are good, they can go ahead with a good business. So in this data set, we are having around 17 columns, and they are home address, additional number of scoring, review the data, average score, hotel name, negative review, positive review, and so on. So data cleaning. So when I saw this data at Kaggle, I have seen around there are 300,000 entries. So first and foremost, I have cleaned the data to remove blank spaces, blank characters, and then missing values. I have also removed the repeated values, which is not necessary for the evaluation. So after all, I have considered around 9,000 reviews and then 17 columns from this huge data. Let us come with the goals. The goals of this text mining analysis, it's going to be what influences do the reviews have on the rating, to understand the criteria on what basis the user will be picking the hotel, the relationship between the individual attributes, what proportion of the total score is made up of the reviewer's score. Data analysis. So when we come to data analysis, we have gathered this data from Kaggle, we have analyzed this data and then interpret the results and then reporting the output that has been generated. So I have done the correlation analysis of the hotel reviews data. So for the correlation analysis, we have used selecting the attributes, removing the duplicates, filtering the examples, and then correlation matrix. So all these are linked, and then this has been linked with our hotel reviews data. So this will be the output of the correlation analysis, and then we see there are few attributes that are having negative correlations because of the bad reviews that has been given by the customer. Let us go with the association analysis. When we come with the association analysis, we have used different operators for removing the missing values that has been in the data and then selecting the data on what basis the analysis should be done. And in this analysis, we have done association analysis based on positive reviews. And then we have processed the document from data. We have converted the numerical data to binomial. We have gone with the FP growth, and then we have created the association analysis. The process behind association analysis that we have used different operators for tokenizing the data, transforming cases, filtering the stopwords, and then filtering the tokens. The output of the association analysis will be we are having a confidence of 98% because uh, the major factors on what basis the customers will be picking up the hotel will play an important role. So when we look into this association analysis, the customer is picking up the hotel where there's a park, plaza, and hotel hall play an important part of the hotel. With these three qualities, there is a 98%, which is excessively high degree of confidence. This implies that the people all over the globe choose a hotel that is located next to a park and has a large hall and plaza and with all other hotels amenities. The support and the confidence. When we see we have 98% of confidence for the hall, and then we do have 98% of the confidence for the plaza, and all these are based on the hotels which are located in London. Clustering analysis. Here, for the clustering analysis, we have taken a k value of 5, and then we have used operators like replacing the missing values, selecting the attributes, processing the documents from the data, clustering, and then the performance. The clustering will be used to do the clustering analysis. And even here also we have used the same process document from the data. We have used on operators like tokenize, transform cases, filter stopwords, and filter tokens. Coming to the output of the clustering analysis, we have taken the k value as 5, and then we have 5 clusters that has been generated. When we see the cluster model on the left side, we can see there are the cluster 2 has the most number of records, and then the cluster 4 has the least number of records. So the cluster 2 contains the location where the people will be choosing. They have the good hall size in the hotel near the park and then near the plaza. Now, when as it comes with the cluster 4, the key contents of the words are the comfortable food and so on. So each cluster has a different specifications. Coming to the performance vector, we can see the average within the centralized distance is minus 0.829, and then the Davis Baldwin is minus 4.102, which we can say the good performance. And then going on with the output of the clustering analysis, we can see the attributes such as the positive, the hotel, location, everything. And then each has the different values of the cluster. The conclusion. So according to this research, most hotels are evaluated favorably when they are located near parks and have plazas with nearby. The key creation for improving a business is reviewers rating. Based on the reviewers rating, the hotel can improve their business. The different qualities that are examined from clustering include food, location, and services. All the characters are associated with a favorable subset of reviews and ratings. The average score represents 32% of the reviewers rating. So from this analysis, we can conclude that based on the reviews of the customers will help the hotel to improve their performance in future. Coming to the experience and learning, with the help of the clustering analysis, we have found the average distance between the attributes, the performance vector, the correlation helps the analysis to improve how many negative reviews have been given by a customer. The association rules analyze the different criteria like confidence, support, and gain, etc. This project analysis has taught me regarding the clustering, regarding the association rules, and then the correlation analysis. Thank you.